Hi Drastic Cuties! Today we're going to draw a kitten for Christmas, so let's get started. To draw this little kitten, we're going to first start by drawing its ear. So right here, I'm just going to pop up a curve, and we're going to round it off on the tip, and bring it back down. It's for little kitten's ear. And then from there, we're going to put a little, a hat on, a Santa hat on this kitten. So about right here, I'm going to start and just drag a curve down. So about how wide his face is going to be. So about right here, just going to drag a curve down. Say about that much. And then from there, let's come back over here and we're going to start to draw our kitten's face. So we're just going to bring a curve down. So same thing on this side. And come down here, we're going to widen out the cheek area and bring it in. And bring it back more, all the way around. There, so we basically have the shape of the kitten's face. Then from there, let's come back up here. We're going to draw the Santa hat. So come about right here. We're just going to pop out the white part of the hat. It's a little curve here. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it. And then now let's draw the red tip part. So we're going to come about right here, just go all the way over with a curve. And down here. You come together and right here at the tip, just draw a circle. There, so we have our kitten in the hat. Then let's come back over here and we're just going to imagine this curve continuing. So about right where the head is, about right here, we're just going to draw a curve. We're going to draw the inside of our kitten's ear. Okay, so then from there, let's bring our kitten to life. We're going to come, let's come to the center, say about right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw the nose for our kitten. So about right here, right in the center, just draw a little triangle. And then we're going to come to the side of that triangle and draw a circle for the eyes. So same thing on this side. And let's make them just so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing on this eye. Okay, so now we have the eyes in. Let's come back up here, say about right here. Just draw a slight little curve above each eye. And then let's draw the sweet little mouth right under the nose. So just give myself a point just to make it easier. So it's the center. And just gonna wiggle a wave over there. Go up and then come back down and up. There. And then now we can go ahead and draw some whiskers for our cat. So come about right here and draw 2 curves that come out. Just gonna make sure about right here. And if you want, you can give your kitten a stripe instead of the top. So I'm gonna come about right here in the center and just draw 3 stripes. And then that is pretty much it for the head. So now let's draw the part of the body that we're gonna see that's popping out of the box. So about right there, let's see here. Let's draw a curve that comes down. Okay, and then we're gonna come about right here where this curve is and we're gonna draw the paw. So I'm gonna come about right here. Draw a curve. And I'm rounding it off at the bottom. So same thing on this side. And then let's come in here and just draw 2 little lines. And then we can come in between this and draw a straight line. So about right here. So this is going to be the top of our box. And then come back right here and draw another curve to finish off our cat's body. Okay, so then now let's draw the box that the kitten is in. So I'm just going to continue this line out a little bit more on both sides. So come right here and we're going to drag a line down on both sides. I'll bring it down a little bit more, and then about right here I'll round off the corner. So same thing on this side and connect it. Okay, and so then from there we're going to come about right here and just going to draw an angle line to give our box some dimension. So right there. And then I'm just going to add a straight line across. So continue this straight line about right there. And about right there I'm going to go ahead and angle line going back to that point. Okay, so then now we can come over here and we're going to draw the lid of our box. So I'm just going to rest it right next to the box about right here. Just draw an angle line all the way down to the same level as your box. So about right there. And then I'm going to go across and then draw the same angle line all the way back down. And then connect it. So that's our lid, and we're going to come find the center of our lid, so about, say, right here. Just draw a little curve, and we're just going to pop a very simple bow. So just a big curve around on both sides. And you can add some details in here for our bow. You can add some stripes if you want, however you want to decorate your lid. There. You know what, I think I'm going to make my box sharper. Looks kind of weird when it's round. Okay, so now I have a box. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to give it a ball of yarn. Give our kitten a ball of yarn, so about right here. So you can add whatever you want. Hope this drawing inspires you. So right here, we're just going to draw a string that kind of comes out. And then to make it look like yarn, just draw these curves at random angles here and there. So maybe this one goes this way, being overlapped. There's some that go this way. There. Okay, so then now finally, to make it extra cute, let's add a stamp right on this corner. So it's just a bunch of wiggles to create this rectangular shape. And connect. And of course I'm going to add a big old heart in here. Okay, and then I'm going to say right here, I'm going to put from. So when you're drawing it, you can write whatever you want on this box. From, and right here I'm going to put to. So I'm going to say from Winnie. And of course to you guys. So I'm going to put draw. So cuties. So there, that's pretty much it for my Christmas kitten. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.